I'm excited to share these videos with you. I'm just editing them right now that Daniel, my friend Daniel, and I made, but they're all about building an application with microservices. And so we built all of Greater Commons, greatercommons.com with microservices using Go and a framework called Goa. And so in this next series of videos, we're going to teach you how to build, or how we built Greater Commons with microservices and Goa. And the first couple of videos are going to be like how we get Greater Commons up and running on a local developer's machine. So we built a special tool called the Bootstrapper. So you're going to learn about the Bootstrapper, and then we're going to talk about GitLab a little bit and how we use GitLab to track issues and work on Greater Commons. And then around video 7 or 8, you can just look down through the playlist here on YouTube. We get into microservices. So if you want to jump ahead to the microservices, feel free to do so. And if you would like to contribute to Greater Commons and help us build it, just message me on Twitter. So we're going to be showing you how we built it in these videos. And if you like what you see and you're interested in helping build something which is for the greater common good, Greater Commons, message me on Twitter and we'd love to help you. We'd love to have you help build and contribute to Greater Commons. All right, enjoy these videos. This is everything that Daniel and myself and some of my other Better Comp Sci students have been doing the last couple of years, building Greater Commons, and we're super happy with how it's all turned out, and super happy to share with you the architecture that we developed for building an application that has the potential to scale to any size using Go and Goa. All right, please hit like and subscribe. That helps other people find these videos. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye.